Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So here today I'm making one of Bali's very traditional old-style vegetable dish called Jukut Gondo. Gondo is goose wheat that grown in and around our rice field and is actually delicious. First, we boil the goose wheat, and when it's soft enough, we transfer into ice water. For flavoring, here I have garlic and chilies, which is we grind with mortar and pestle. I add also some salt and mushroom boyong powder. Grind all together. Then heat it up the oil, which is here I'm using coconut oil, and then transfer into the sambal. And after that, mix well everything. And here we go, Jukut Gondo. Thank you for watching. Matur suksema.